Now that we know where Dhruva Nakshatra is, let's take a look at the Saptarshi Mandala. The Saptarshi Mandala is always in the vicinity of Dhruva Nakshatra, way up north. So here you can see the Saptarishi, Marichi, Vashishta, Angira, Atri, Pulasta, Pulaha and Kratu. And the shape of this formation is like a ladle. And it's always in the vicinity of Dhruva Nakshatra. Now I'm showing you the location London, where Dhruva Nakshatra is at a altitude of 51.81 degrees above the horizon. Now I'm going to simulate the passage of time, and you can see that the Saptarshi Mandala appears to revolve around Dhruva Nakshatra. In fact, it's not just the Saptarshi Mandala, but the entire starry firmament is rotating around Dhruva Nakshatra. I will highlight that by turning on a grid, and you can see Dhruva is at the center of the grid, the pole of this grid, and everything else is revolving around Dhruva. Furthermore, I'm going to point out to you that now in London we are approaching the evening, sunset time. It's about 5 o'clock now. I'm looking down at the bottom and it's 6 o'clock. But you see the Saptarshi Mandala does not set at all. It continues to be above the horizon. It's come pretty close to the horizon now, but it does not go below the horizon because Dhruva Nakshatra is at a 51.88 degrees altitude from the horizon. So the further north you go, London and further north, the Saptarshi Mandala will never set. It will be always above the horizon. Whether it is visible or not depends on whether it is day or night. But the Saptarshi themselves will be always above the horizon. Whereas if you come down further south to Delhi, Bangalore or Kanyakumari, then Dhruva Nakshatra is closer to the horizon. So Saptarshi Mandala will rise and set every day. And of course, this entire movement is simply happening because the Earth is rotating around its axis. And this is the pole star, the North Pole. Now, remember that Dhruva Nakshatra itself does not move. It's always fixed there. And that is precisely why it's called Dhruva, because Dhruva in Sanskrit means firm, fixed, steadfast, and unmoving.